Hello, and welcome to another Wacky Wednesday. My name is Miss KRISTEN, and this video is presented by Durham County Library, where I'm a Children's Services Manager. Today, I'm going to share a few graphic novels about a topic that is beloved by just about everyone: food. First up is Rutabaga, the Adventure Chef. In a fantastical world filled with monstrous dragons and funky vegetables, Rutabaga is a chef on a search for some major adventure. Rutabaga is joined by his magical walking kettle, who is very creatively named Pot, and his dragon-slaying friends. He often saves the day by cooking magic recipes, though nothing ever quite goes as planned. Unfortunately, you probably won't want to try the recipes in this book unless you're a fan of roasted mud leech, spider soup, or ghost mushroom salad. Rutabaga is perfect for fans of Adventure Time that are looking for a fun, manga-influenced series. Next up is Measuring Up by Lily Lamont. 12-year-old Cece has just moved from Taiwan to Seattle. While she enjoys her new friends in school, she also misses cooking delicious meals and spending time with her beloved grandmother, Ama, who still lives in Taiwan. As her grandmother's 70th birthday quickly approaches, Cece decides to enter a cooking competition in order to win the cash prize of $1,000 so that she can pay for a ticket to fly her grandmother to Seattle. Since Cece only knows how to cook Taiwanese food, she challenges herself to learn new recipes and cuisines in order to impress the judges. This family-oriented and uplifting story celebrates cultural traditions and new beginnings. Similar to Measuring Up, Space Battle Lunchtime centers on a young chef and a cooking competition. However, the similarities end there. Peony is an aspiring chef and baker on Earth who finds herself with the chance to compete on the universe's most popular cooking competition in order to win fame, glory, and a 20,000 solar bucks prize. She's up against some challenging circumstances, including alien competitors, unfamiliar ingredients, and bizarre machines that she has no idea how to use. The story ends on a crazy cliffhanger, so make sure to pick up Volume 2 as well. Space Battle Lunchtime is perfect for fans of Top Chef and Doctor Who alike. Chef Yasmina and the Potato Panic is the story about Yasmina, a budding chef who lives for cooking vegetarian dishes for her friends and family. She believes that food is all about love and enjoys cooking with ingredients from her town's local community gardens. However, her way of life is disrupted when a shady business buys and then completely destroys the community gardens and replaces them with genetically modified potato crops. As if this wasn't bad enough, the GMO potatoes are making everyone in town act super strange. Yasmina teams up with a reclusive scientist to investigate and set things right. It also includes plenty of bonus features, including a comic about French fries and behind-the-scenes concept art. Last but certainly not least is Yummy, A History of Desserts. Have you ever wondered where ice cream originated or how mochi was invented? Yummy is a nonfiction graphic novel narrated by a helpful food sprite named Perry and her friends Fee and Fada. Each section provides an in-depth history of popular sweet treats, including ice cream, cake, brownies, donuts, and more. Included in each chapter are food science facts, interviews, stories, and of course, some recipes. This lighthearted and, dare I say, sweet book is perfect for Great British Baking Show fans and anyone curious about food history. If you're looking for more recommendations, please ask a library staff member. We're always happy to help. I hope you get to eat your favorite foods and read a great book today. Thank you for watching.